Hi everyone! In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the new chat feature in FM Dashboard to quickly find user information and settings. Instead of navigating through multiple pages, you can simply ask chat for the information you need using natural language. For example, you can ask chat to list all users. It will display not just the user list, but the email addresses, the user roles, and permissions. You can also view your own account information and settings by asking chat to display your profile details. If you need information about another user, simply enter their name. For example, you can ask chat to show the profile for a specific user, such as Brent Brown. The system will display available information including account details, roles, permission, and other relevant settings. This feature provides a faster and more convenient way to locate user information without having to navigate through multiple administration screens.